Do you really want to know how I feel? Fine, I will tell you. I feel as if I'm nothing. I wake up every morning to feel the same as the day before. I'm drained, I'm lost, I'm struggling with life. I feel easily replaced and always left out. I feel as if I will never be anybody's first choice because I'm always the backup. Everyone has someone that they will choose before me. I finally accepted that I am no one's favorite person. I feel as if everything I love, I just lose it, whether it's a person or an object. Sometimes I wonder if I'm really that bad. I'm never happy. I always fake it. I'm always annoying people, disappointing people, making mistakes. I feel like there's something wrong with me. I try my hardest, but no one ever sees it and always says I don't try. But I do. I have no one, and if I do, they always leave. I feel like such a failure.